The Dear Mind Project is a grant-funded effort to identify and treat young people with symptoms of serious mental illness. It is important that we identify these symptoms because they may mean that the student is at risk for psychosis. We are currently in the third year of the grant. Beaver County is one of only 22 grantees in the entire United States. In the first 2 years of the grant, we have screened 350 students and enrolled 22 to receive treatment services. Psychosis is a serious mental illness that, if left untreated, can cause long-term disability. Research shows that half of all mental illness starts before the age of 14. We've had a few participants in the Dear Mind program who are less than 12. 37% of students with serious mental illness leave school before graduating. In order to decrease the number of dropouts and to lessen the disability that psychotic symptoms can cause, we want to find these kids early and get them the services they need. Essentially, early treatment leads to better outcomes. The sooner a child with serious mental illness gets treatment, the less the child will be impacted by potential disabilities. Early treatment helps them keep up with their education and prevents possible relapses. Dear Mind partner agencies work together to help participants remain in treatment. Educational and vocational services, as well as therapy and psychiatry, are all involved. Early treatment also means fewer delays in educational and social growth. Dear Mind connects students and their families with a range of treatment services to support recovery. Services are provided in the community, home, and school, whatever fits the family's needs. Family support helps the parent or guardian cope with symptoms and learn more about treatment. Dear Mind therapists and our treatment team have received specialized training in order to treat serious symptoms. Referrals for Dear Mind can be made through the student assistance team at a child's school or by filling out our online screening quiz. To learn more about the Dear Mind program and to view the screening quiz, visit www.dearmind.org.